what you got, boo-boo. Want to play with one?
Come here, Chip. Come look. What did you get? Do you see your prize? He's going, what?
It's
Where is
right
it?
here.
Where is
Look.
it? Chippy.
Right here. It's the ball. You see?
Oh, yes.
I'm so happy. We open it right after we done, okay?
That's buying so much stuff. Why is there holes in this one?
You tried to write on it, didn't you? Yeah.
Mm.
Heavy. Whoa.
I'm gonna drop you. Get it.
Okay. Oh, my leg. I have a feeling I know what this is.
No, I don't think so. What?
It's my ball.
One.
Your wand?
My ball wand.
Your ball wand.
Yeah.
For the blind people.
Naughty bear.
You went from baby bear to naughty bear.
Yes. So true. This is it. And know what it is. Oh, it's another box. Oh, they just.
There's another one over there. You dropped.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
where?
Right behind.
Oh, I dropped it. PlayStation 3. Feels bad to be wrong, doesn't it? Ooh, there's games. I can shoot people and look hot when I do it.
I know the archery, there's all kinds.
Special. Box here, box there. What is this?
I don't know, let me see. That is like CSI.
I thought you bought this for you.
No.
Why is my name on the gosh damn box?
What?
So why is my name on the gosh darn box? I didn't say that word. Let me just read it. I don't feel like opening it. They don't ever tell you what it is.
No, they don't.
JT Networks. My finger.
You like it?
Why'd you buy me so many black pair of pants?
Actually one was supposed to be blue and they packed another pair of black, so.
Those are long. What are these? These are jigs.
What do you mean? They're jeggings. You see where it says jeggings?
they're
Doesn't say flare.
simply low.
It says jeggings.
They're gonna hang low.
Oh, so much, huh?
Get that sock back out here.
That's all. What's in my fault? Oh my god, it's the 8G! Holy crap. This isn't even like, this is like one of the newest ones. It's not like one of those crappy ones. In your face, I told you so.